Welcome back. I'm Rico, and this is part 6. We're talking about the mastering section. Alright, so let's take a look here. First thing I did was I dragged it into the DAW. Notice that this track is 3 times as long because I looped the track 3 times. Great. So let's pull up our master bus right here. Okay, I've applied 2 effects here. I've applied an instance of Isotope Ozone 5 mastering suite and an L2 limiter by Waves. So let's pop this up first. This is our visualizer, spectral analyzer, and let's look over at Isotope Ozone. Okay, so this is what I've done. I got an EQ curve here. I've dipped around 60 because I found it was still a little too hot, and I started a little curve up, just trying to get the track a little bit brighter. And if we go here, we'll take a listen to the track here. I'll turn this reverb and harmonic decider off. This is without the effect. This is with it. Without and with it. Okay. There. With, without, with. That's a little bit brighter. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Now, I've added some multi-band compression. The crossovers from 0 to 313 Hertz. I'm getting about max 2 dB of gain reduction here. I'm adding 2 back. Okay. In mid frequencies here, 313 to 3K. I'm getting about 3 dB gain reduction. Averaging. I got 2. And then for the highs, the same thing. It says 6, but really I'd say probably about 4 or 5. And I'm getting about 2 dB of gain. Yeah, that's good. Great. The next thing I've added was some reverb. Okay. I added a room sound. Pre-delay of 0.8 milliseconds. A decay time. Low decay, high decay. I've only had 4/7 to the mix, so this is what you're actually hearing in the verb. Yeah, there's just a little bit there. Nothing too crazy, which is good. Okay. Harmonic exciter. I've added 1 for the low sub-frequencies, 1.6 for the mids, and for the highs, 0.7. Not too much happening here, just a little bit to add a little bit of bite. Good. So this is with the effect on and then off. And on. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter. Adds a little bit more life. Okay. The next thing I've done is I've brought the level up from 0 on the output to 6. Okay, you may ask why did I do this, right? Why did I do this? The main reason I did this is I didn't want to compress the entire track and crush the peaks completely and then have to raise the level up. I don't want to lose those peaks. I got a decent sound, and I'm trying to keep it that way. So what I've done is the output on this VST, I'm raising it up so that I'm getting it close to 0. Not too close, but close enough. And then I'm going to use a limiter, the L2, at that point just to give it that little boost and then raise the rest of the instruments up so I don't lose that 808. Good. So let's hear that again. Good. So take a look here for a second. Okay, see, that's getting a little too close to 0. So let's go back here, and we're going to lower this. Should go to 5. Take a look here. Our meters. Okay, that's not bad. We're floating around 4. That's decent. Okay, good. Let's close this. And then we'll go to the limiter. I'll notice here I'm getting 1.5 peaks, 3.5 gain reduction. Raise this up. I don't want that much, just want a little bit of reduction. Okay, that's better. That's better. Give it a 0.61. That's good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. I'm gonna bounce this. I'm gonna bounce this track. Alright. This is it. I'm Rico. I'm out. In a couple seconds you'll hear the final mix of this track. Ciao.